Ladies and gentlemen, your captain for the flight deck addressing you. I have been made aware with the cabin crew that there is some water leakage from the ceiling from